we'll guide you through how to master Asana and make your project management a breeze. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Asana on your desktop and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, go to the left sidebar and click on Projects to view all your current projects. To create a new project, click on the orange Add button at the top and select Project from the drop-down menu. Here, you can choose between a blank project or use one of Asana's templates, which is great if you want to save time. Name your project and choose whether you want it to be a list or board format. Once that's done, click Create Project. Now that your project is set up, it's time to add tasks. Click on the Add Task button and enter the task name. You can assign it to a team member by clicking the Assign dropdown and picking from your team list. Set due dates by clicking the calendar icon to keep everyone on track. If you need to add more details, click on the task to open the task pane where you can add descriptions, attach files, and even add subtasks. Subtasks are useful for breaking down larger tasks into more manageable parts. To keep communication streamlined, use the comment section within each task to discuss specifics with your team members. Another powerful feature is the timeline view. To use it, go to the top of your project and select Timeline. This view allows you to visualize your project schedule and dependencies, helping you identify any potential bottlenecks. Lastly, to keep track of your progress, use the Dashboard tab found on the left sidebar. Here, you can see a summary of your project's performance, including completed tasks and upcoming deadlines. Remember, Asana is all about making your workflow smoother, so take advantage of its features and customize them according to your team's needs. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.